Cooking can be a real joy if you know tricks in the kitchen, and if not, it can often become boring or difficult. However, we will present 5 incredibly useful kitchen hacks which can be of great help while baking and cooking, and they will surely make your life much easier. Number 1. Boil the water for ice cubes before you freeze them, and they will be crystal clear. Number 2. Check the age of the eggs and see whether they are still good for consumption. Number 3. If you love eggs and often cook a lot of them, you should know that this works in the oven, 160 degrees for up to 15 minutes. Number 4. Roll the lemon before with some pressure on your countertop to easily juice it. Number 5. You can keep the wine cold and undiluted with some frozen grapes. Pretty interesting, right?